And the very next thing I want to show you here is how to link your bank account, and then we are going to make a deposit over to Webull. If we go ahead and click on the blue deposit button at the bottom, it gives us two options here for adding funds. We can either do an ACH, automated clearinghouse deposit, which is going to be a 3 to 4 business day processing time with $0 in fees, or if you want to do a wire transfer that has a 1 to 2 business day processing time, and there are fees associated with both domestic and international wire transfers. For most people, especially in the United States, it's going to make sense to do the ACH transfer. So we're going to click on that now, and then you have the option to either do a real-time verification with your bank account, which is going to be instant, or you can verify 2 small deposits that are made to your account. I'm going to do the real-time verification, and we're going to click on the blue next button. At this point, it brings you over here to a list of banks on the screen, and if you see your bank, you can go ahead and select it. But if your bank is not listed on this screen, you can click in here, for example, like let's say you're using Bank of America, you can type that in, and then just like that, you have options here for Bank of America. I'm going to go ahead and select my financial institution, and then we are going to link our bank instantaneously. At this point, you're going to enter your banking credentials, and Webull is using a service here called Yodlee, which is similar to Plaid, and this is used to securely link your bank account, and no information is being shared. With Webull, this is just used for the instantaneous link. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my user ID and password, and then click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, it's going to kick back my 2-factor authentication. So I'm going to have it send me that code now to verify our login. And then once you verify that code, you can click on submit once again, and it should bring you to an overview of your financial accounts with this bank. At this point, you're going to select the account that you want to link to Webull, and then once you have that selected, you're going to click on the save and finish button. And then it brings us over to the deposit screen here, where we have successfully linked our bank account, and now we can make our first deposit into Webull.